Hello students, in this video we will see the solutions of NTS Abhyas app chapter wise questions. In that first topic, sets and relations. First question, if R is equal to set in ordered pair x comma y such that x comma y belongs to Z, x square plus y square less than or equals to 4 is a relation in Z is integers, then the domain of R. Then the domain of the relation R is 4 options: set 0 1 2, set 0 minus 1 minus 2, and set minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2, and none of this. Okay, let's see this question, how we can solve it. Since R is given, the relation R is given x comma y such that x comma y belongs to Z and x square plus y square is less than or equals to 4. So generally we can just verify within values by taking 0 comma 1 1 comma 0, and moreover if we can observe this x square plus y square less than or equals to 4, instead of taking inequality, if I take x square plus y square is equal to 4, it represents a circle. It represents a circle with a center origin 0 comma 0 and the radius is 2 units. So generally if I can consider in the coordinate axis, your x-axis and y-axis, it cuts the x-axis at the point 2 comma 0, and here at y-axis positive 0 comma 2, and here in the negative x-axis minus 2 comma 0, and negative y-axis 0 comma minus 2. It means that your circle entirely covering this area, this much area, and x square plus y square less than or equals to 4 means we can just say that it is here, inside part. This is the area which covers. Okay. Now we have to find out the ordered pairs which satisfy this inequality, x square plus y square less than or equals to 4, where x and y are integers. Okay, so mostly what are the integers we'll have here? 0, right, and 1 plus or minus 1 we can write 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2. Apart from this we don't get anything, because if I can just draw the line here, so mostly the line, it's okay. So if I can just cover this as a square and your circle, the maximum the side of a square is 4 units here, 2 units here to the right side of x-axis and 2 units to the left side of x-axis, so which cover the coordinates only these points 0 1 and minus 1 and plus 1 on y-axis and here and 2 and some points. So we need to check only these points. So what are the ordered pairs we can satisfy here? Minus 2 comma 0, suppose 0 comma 0, 0 square plus 0 square is less than or equals to 4, right, and 0 square plus 1 square is also less than or equals to 4, and 1 square plus 1 square is less than or equals to 4, or similarly minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square, or 2 square plus 2 square, and here we have to observe 2 square plus 2 square, 4 plus 4 is not less than or equals to 4. This is not satisfying. So whereby 2 comma 2 is not satisfying, does not belongs to R. And also we can just consider any other number, 1 square plus 2 square, 1 comma 2, 1 square plus 2 square, 4 plus 1 5, it is also not belongs to R. Or 2 comma 1 also does not belongs to R. Or we can say in the same way minus 1 comma 2 or minus 1 comma minus 2 or minus 2 comma 1. So these are the points which are not covering. But anyhow, so you will be getting, because since the question is asked about only the domain, so you don't need to find any ordered pairs also. So just by considering any part like among these numbers 0 comma 1, this is 1 point, okay, and if I can take minus 1 comma 0, this is also another point which satisfies, and even if consider here 1 comma 0, this is also 1 point, and 2 comma 0, this also satisfies, or minus 2 comma 0, this also satisfies, and we have covered almost like domain is nothing but your elements in the first coordinate 0, -1, 1, 2 and -2. So almost all the elements are covered 0, ±1, 1, -1, 2, -2. Apart from this, there are no other integers, right? And even if you don't consider these ordered pairs also, definitely these elements as a domain we can have, right? So what I mean to say, if you want to write all the ordered pairs, we can write the ordered pairs, but you have to remove some ordered pairs where it is not satisfying, like 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, -1, 2, or 2, -1, or such things we have to eliminate, and you have to write the remaining ordered pairs. However, the domain of your relation can be these elements only, 0, -1, 1, 2 and -2 only, right? And hence we can see the option C. Next question. In a certain town, 25% families own a cell phone and 15% families own a scooter and 65% families own neither a cell phone nor a scooter and 1500 families own both a cell phone and a scooter. Then the total number of families in the town is. So what I suggest here for reading the question, just using a Venn diagram you can solve this problem easily. So first let me draw the diagram. Let me consider universal set, and here two categories are given. Cell phone, let me take cell phone as C. For cell phone I will use the letter C, and for scooter I will use the letter capital S. And this is your universal set U. According to the question, 25% families own a cell phone, means your N of C is equal to 25%. And 15% families own a scooter, means N of S is equal to 15%. And 65% families own neither a cell phone nor a scooter. What it means? Neither a cell phone nor a scooter means, suppose this is your cell phone and these are your scooters. The complement of your C union S, means C union S complement, that number is nothing but your 65%. Means other than this union C or S, outside part, so I can take here 65% members are here. So which implies that if 65% are own neither a cell phone nor a scooter, means how many are there in union? It's nothing but a complement of this 65%, means remaining will be 35%, right? 35% students, families will have either cell phone or scooter. And if 1500 families own both a cell phone and a scooter, from these given conditions we can find the C intersection S. C intersection S is nothing but we had a formula N of C plus N of S minus N of C union S. So that is equal to 25 plus 15 minus 35. So 25 plus 15, 40, 40 minus 35, 5%. Means common part is 5%. 5% is common. And what is the remaining 5%? What is given? 1500 families own both a phone and a scooter, means intersection is given. Also given N of C intersection S is equal to 1500. Suppose if the total families are X, total families are X here, so this 5% is nothing but 5 by 100 into X, right? So from here we can just calculate it. So 1500, X is equal to 1500 into 100 divided by 5. So this is 300 into 100. So this is 30,000. So 30,000 will be your answer. So X, because the total number of families asked in the question, so third option is the correct answer, 30,000. Okay. Next one. If A is a set of even natural numbers less than 8 and B is a set of prime numbers less than 7, then the number of relations from A to B. So here set A is given, set of even natural numbers less than 8. So even natural numbers we can take 2, 4, 6, and B is nothing but set of prime numbers less than 7. So 2, 3 and 5 we can consider, which means here number of elements in A is 3 and number of elements in B is equal to 3, and number of relations from A to B, number of relations from A to B is equal to 2 to the power of n of A into n of B. This is the formula we had, number of relations formula. So we had 2 to the power of 3 into 3. So that is 2 to the power of 9. So 2 power 9 is the answer. So first option. Next one. The relation less than in the set of natural numbers is, the set of natural numbers is only symmetric or only transitive, only reflexive and equivalence. To show an equivalence we must show all these are correct: symmetric, transitive and reflexive. So first let me recall once again. In my previous videos also explained about the relations. Reflexive: if for every A belongs to A is related to A, it is reflexive. If A is related to B, then B is related to A. This is reflexive property, and this is symmetric property. And transitive: if A related to B and B related to C, then A is related to C. So these are the 3 points we have to remember. So first case, for every A belongs to A is related to A, which means that in this question less than symbol is given. Suppose like relation, we have to say that A comma B such that A is less than B, less than condition. Now to say that first reflexive or not, you take any number. Can we say that A is less than equal to A, less than A? No. So can we say for 1 is less than 1? No, we can say. So this is not a reflexive. And coming to the next, symmetric. For symmetric, what is that we can say? Suppose 1 is less than 2. 1 comma 2 belongs to R. 1 comma 2 belongs to R, which implies that 1 is less than 2. So can you say that 2 is less than 1? No. If 1 is less than 2, 2 must be greater than 1. So 2 cannot be less than 1. So what is it we can say here? From this we can just say that it is not a symmetric. Means for A is less than B, which implies B cannot be less than A. And coming to the third, transitive. Let us check the transitive case. If 1 is less than 2, means 1 comma 2 belongs to R, and 2 is less than 3, that is 2 comma 3 belongs to R, then can you say 1 is less than 3? 1 is less than 2 and 2 is less than 3. Can we say 1 and 3? 1 is less than 3. Yes. So here we can say 1 comma 3 belongs to R. You take any natural number. Not only this example, any natural number you take. A is less than B and B is less than C. So we can say that A is less than C. So it holds true for any natural numbers, and hence we can say it is only transitive. So we can go with option only transitive. Next question. The relation R is defined in the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as R is equal to A comma B such that B is equal to A plus 1, then R is. Again the 4 options are related to the reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive, or neither reflexive nor symmetric but transitive. Not reflexive but symmetric and transitive, and reflexive, symmetric and transitive. But anyhow we have to check all these 3 cases. First, given relation R is equal to A comma B, such that B is equal to A plus 1, right? And what is the set is defined in this relation is defined in set, defined in the set 1 2 3 4 5 6. Suppose if A is equal to 1, if A is equal to 1, what is B? B must be equal to 2, because B is equal to 1 plus 1. If A is equal to 2, B will be 3. If A is equal to 3, B will be 4. If A is equal to 4, B will be 5. And if A is equal to 5, B will be 6. And if A is equal to 6, B will be 7. But 6 comma 7, we don't take 6 comma 7 because 7 does not belongs to the set. So we don't take this part. We will consider only up to 5 comma 6. Since 7 does not belongs to given set. Okay, this is your relation. Now can you say that it is reflexive? Means for 1 belongs to A. Let me take this as set A. For 1 belongs to A, do we have 1 comma 1? Does not belongs to R. So it is not a reflexive. Because a reflexive says that for every number, for every A belongs to A, there must be image same itself. That is 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2 must be there. 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 6 comma 6. But here for 1 belongs to A, 1 comma 1 does not belongs to the relation R, and hence we can say this is not a reflexive. Not a reflexive means we can just cancel this last option. And coming to the next symmetric case, if 1 is less than 2 in the ordered pair, 1 comma 2 belongs to R, which implies 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Is it? If 1 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 1, we don't have any 2 comma 1 belongs to R. So this is not a symmetric, right? And next we'll see the transitive. For transitive case, 1 comma 2 belongs to R and 2 comma 3 belongs to R, which implies 1 comma 3, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3 belongs to R. Can we say 1 comma 3 an ordered pair belongs to the relation? No, does not belongs to R. One example is enough to show that it is not a transitive or symmetric or reflexive. Just we will find one example to disprove. For proving, we have to go with the general method. For disproof, one example is enough. Okay, that you keep in mind. So this is not a transitive, and hence we can give the option here, neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Right? We'll see the next question. The shaded region in the given figure represents. So here 3 sets are given, A, B and C, and here there is some shaded part. Here we have to identify which one is this. So first option, if I can say A intersection B union C. So if I draw the rough diagram, A intersection B union C, how it will be. Let me show you. Let me take the same structure. Okay, this is your A, B and C. B union C. B union C means I can consider here. This is your B union C. Right? B union C is intersection with A. Intersection with A means we can just consider where it intersects this part. Your B union C is intersection A with this part. So this part is not equal. So first option is wrong. And coming to the second option. Second option, if I can take A, B and C. B intersection C will be, let me draw B intersection C. This is your B intersection C. And A union B intersection C. Union with A, we can consider with A this part. A union B intersection C. And this part also. So this whole part will give you the answer for B, but this is also not equal to, so we can say second option also not correct. And coming to the third option, A intersection B minus C. This is your A, B and C. And from here, what is B minus C? From B we should delete C. And this is the part we can so this is the part where B, from B we are deleted C, B minus C part, and intersection with A, and this part is intersection with A means here, this only this part. This is the part where we can show according to the third question. So this is also not our answer, so we can eliminate this also and left with only D option. Let's check out this also. B union C. This is B, C and this is A. B union C will be here. Let me shade with red. This is your B union C, and we have to delete this B union C from A. From A you should remove this part, means where it comes shaded part. The shaded part will be here. From A we are deleting B union C. So this is equal to the same question diagram. So we can say option D is the right answer. Okay, this is how we can just shade the regions and we can verify it. Or you can take your some examples and also we can verify it. Okay, we'll go to the next question. A relation R is defined from 2, 3, 4, 5 to 3, 6, 7, 10 by x is related to y implies x is relatively prime to y. So let us consider A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 3, 6, 7, 10, and the relation R is given x is related to y, means x comma y, such that x is relatively prime to y. X is relatively prime to y. So what is the meaning of relatively prime? Relatively prime means a number is relatively prime to another number if their HCF is 1, that is GCD, greatest common divisor or highest common factor will be equal to 1, and hence what is the domain? So what is that? We can just consider from A cross B, what are the possible ordered pairs where x is related prime to 1. First you take the element here, 2, 3 we can consider. So your R, relation R can be taken 2, 3 because 2, 3 HCF is 1, and 2, 6 we can't take. 2, 7 we can consider. 2, 10 also we can't take. And the next 3, 3 no, 3, 6 no, 3, 7 we can take, and 3, 10 also we can consider. There is no common factor other than 1. So 3, 10 we can consider, and next 4, 3 we can consider. HCF is 1. 4, 6 no, 4, 7 we can consider, and 4, 10 no, 5, 3 we can consider, and 5, 7 we can consider, and 5, 6 also we can consider. 5, 7 we can consider, but no 5, 10. So these are the possible ordered pairs according to the given condition. So now the domain of R. Domain of R is nothing but your first coordinate 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. 2, 3, 4, 5. So among this, which option? 2, 3, 4, 5? Fourth option. Okay. Next question. If A is equal to x such that x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 and B is equal to 2, 4 and C is equal to 4, 5, then A cross B intersection C is. So A is given here x such that x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. Means solving equation x square minus 5x plus 6. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. We will get x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0 by factorization. So we can say x is equal to 2 and 3. So these are the possible values. So we can take 2, 3. Okay. So this is the possible case for A. And next B and C are given direct sets. 2 comma 4, and C is equal to given 4 comma 5. Then what is B intersection C? B intersection C is 2 comma 4 and 4 comma 5, common number is only 4. So this is your B intersection C. Now A cross B intersection C. A cross B intersection C is 2 comma 3 cross product with 4. So that we'll have 2 comma 4, 3 comma 4. So first option. So hence we can say A cross B intersection C is 2 comma 4 and 3 comma 4. Okay.